Crude oil, after opening bearish, we have seen a good bounce back, and it has already seen 66.4 levels, and natural gas is also stayed flat. It is just trading around 3.3 levels, failing to stay lower. What to expect now from oil and gas? Are we looking forward to a complete recovery? Are we looking forward to a greater rise in oil and gas? Earlier in the day, I have mentioned this, that oil has definitely found a support. It is delivering higher lows, so possibly we can see it moving towards 66, 67 again, and it has moved beautifully towards that. So what should be our strategy now with oil trading, oil and gas with the US session? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver 2 updates a day such that you can profit across sessions, be it the Asia, Europe or US session. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See, oil on the hourly charts, after delivering a gap down, it has found its support at 65, 64.8, and what a beautiful recovery it has shown. Now, see, earlier in the day, I have mentioned you can buy here at 66.5 and expect it to move towards 65.5, expect it to move towards 66. That is a critical hurdle, and the next hurdle is towards 66.6. Once these two are taken, 67 is a must, and breaking beyond 67, the next destination, close your eyes, stay bullish for 68 very, very soon, if not today. Beautifully, it has come down towards the next resistance. So if you now see oil trading beyond 66.4, 66.6 zone, you can stay bullish. When you see the lower prices above 66.4, 66.6, you can expect a further rise. But what's happening, see, after the rise finding a double top, it is trying to retrace. So possibly it may again come down towards 65.8, 65.4 zone. But only bearishness now is below 65.4. That is pretty clear. The stochastic overbought here. The MACD crossing over at the bottom, trading bullish as of now. RSI placed comfortably. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, preceding candle is an indecision candle. Current one is starting on a cautious note. Let it stay beyond 66.4, 66.6, and then 67. These three levels are very critical as of now. Beyond 67, sky is the limit on the upside. Notice the rise, the retracement, and the breakout here beyond 67 should lead to a stronger move, possibly towards 68 and then 70 zone. Earlier in the day, we have discussed finding a good base here at 64. We have seen a rise, then a retracement coming down to the same zone. Now looking upwards, possibly more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD crossing over again for the buys. It's a good sign for the bulls. And the RSI is placed comfortably after a good rise. Coming to 3 hour, this is important on the 3 hour charts. The resistance here, lower highs, lower lows. See, it has come down to the same zone from where we have seen the rise. It has come down here. It is bouncing back up. And now once it moves beyond 66.4, 66.6, and then 67, you can say, now this is the reversal. Moving averages have converged here, not yet crossing over. A stochastic overbought. MACD trying to converge, waiting for a crossover here. RSI is rising. Signs are still very much supportive for further rise. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation after the retracement trying to rise. See, this is the beauty of analysis. This is the zone where it has formed a base. It has come down to the same zone trying to rise. Also notice, see, this is the base where we have seen the shootout. We have seen the move towards 78. It has come down to the same zone trying to rise. So now once it trades beyond 68, you can say this is a near-term reversal for oil where we can expect 70 or 72.4 and in fact 75 levels very, very soon. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD trying to cross over the RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, this is the base it is created at 64. With that as base, we have seen the rise, then the retracement, now trying to show a pullback. And again, the 20 period is offering it a very, very good resistance here. So let it stay beyond 67 and then you can expect 68, or in fact we can look forward to a move beyond 68 very, very soon. Notice what is happening, the drop, retracement, then the drop, again trying to rise here, and possibly this trend might continue here for a while. Stochastic plays comfortably, MACD bearish, RSI flat. We have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels, and before I offer you the levels, if you are also willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The next batch is scheduled in a couple of weeks, middle of July. Join it today, enjoy your learning. See, learning is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Join it today and enjoy your profits throughout life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there. And those who are looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. It offers you zero commissions, no hidden charges, and yes, a global presence is what makes it lucrative. Join it today and enjoy your trading. So now buying entry today is beyond 66.4. When you see the lower price beyond 66.4, 66.6, this is the zone which is going to offer a maximum resistance. Stay bullish beyond this, expect 67, and trading beyond 67, this time oil is heading to 68 directly very soon. Right now I think 60 till 67 it has got very strong resistance. You have to be careful till then. And on the downside now, the selling entry, because see, it is possible that it may retrace a little before bouncing back. See, you can sell here at 65.8 when you see the higher price below 65.8. But then 65.5, 65.4 should be the first support. And only bearishness in oil is below 65.4, where you can expect 65, 64.8. And if that is also taken, it's a massive reversal. Stay bearish, stay short for 64, 63.6. And as long as 64, 63.6 is not taken, do not treat oil as bearish. It can bounce back sharp. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. Natural gas prices hovered at around 3.3 levels and now trying to show a little pullback. But yes, it is pretty important for net gas to trade beyond 3.36, 3.4 and 3.45 zone. Three key levels here on the upside for it to break. Only and only if it breaches 3.45, 3.5 zone, you can say it's a reversal. I'll now wait for it to trade beyond 3.35, 3.36 zone in order to confirm further rise. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to cross over for a buy. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, now looking upwards. Coming to 2 hour charts, see the drop retracement. See, bearishness getting diminished here. This is a good sign for the bulls, although we have seen slightly lower lows, but it is trying to reverse from the middle of it. So possibly this could mean a reversal here. This suggests that the bulls are bit exhausted here. And thus, if you see it is staying beyond 3.33 levels, when you see the lower price above 3.33, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 3.35, 3.36 as the first, 3.4 as the next levels, beyond which it may turn bullish. Stochastic rising, see this is what we had discussed. See, it can form a double bottom and look upwards. This is what is happening. MACD again the same, trying to converge here, forming a good wave, and the crossover here may mean a reversal. RSI rising from the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Notice the drop here, the gap down, the bearishness, then sideways, then the bearishness trying to recover here. A move beyond 3.33, 3.36 should confirm a move towards 3.4, and then we can in fact expect 3.45, beyond which it should be treated for a reversal. Stochastic rising after forming a double bottom can take it towards the double top levels. The MACD bearish here, the RSI is at bottom. On the 4 hour, we have similar observation on the 4 hour charts. So in fact, you can buy here at 3.33, but then 3.35, 3.36 first, 3.4 the second. These two key levels to be taken, then you can expect more bullishness to prevail. The moving averages right now are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic oversold, forming a double bottom, trying to rise. MACD is bearish, the RSI is at bottom. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice it has delivered a gap down. It has hit lower lows, trying to recover here. Lower lows means possibly lower highs. So yes, once it trades beyond 3.36, you can expect bullishness, beyond which you can see it moving towards 3.4, 3.45, 3.5 levels very soon. Yes, downside appears to be limited here, and now I'll wait for it to trade below 3.3, 3.28 zone in order to confirm further downside. Remember, beyond 3.3, 3.28, this time the targets are towards 3.2 and $3 zone very soon. I hope it sustains the levels hit here at 3.3, 3.28. Stochastic here is oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI at bottom. So now considering this, what I'll recommend, you can in fact buy at 3.33 levels. When you see the lower price above 3.33, initiate a buy, expect it to move towards 3.35, 3.36. First target 3.4 at the second. Beyond 3.4, stay bullish for 3.4445 first, 3.5 the second, and beyond 3.5 is sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, take a sell here at 3.3 and then expect 3.28. Below 3.28, stay short for 3.24, 3.2 first. Below 3.2, it is going to deliver massive bearish move towards $3 zone very soon, if not today. And I'm not in favor of such a drop. But yes, once it breaches the levels, more bearishness should prevail. Below 3.2, more bearishness should prevail. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.